Have you ever wondered what this thin bar on the always on display is? It's called the now bar. However, if you want a cleaner, more minimal look on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, there's a super quick way to hide it. Let me show you how to do it. First, unlock the phone and then head into setting. To do so, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen and AOD. Tap lock screen and AOD. Tap always on display. Find the toggle for show now bar. Switch it off to hide the now bar from your always on display. To see the result, turn off the screen. And when your phone shows always on display, you will see that now bar is now gone. Given to the function, turning off the now bar on your always on display will give your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra a cleaner and more professional appearance. It will also reduce screen distraction and help you focus on the essential like the time or battery. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.